we're currently on set filming for my movie, The Quiet Valley. We have been held up quite a bit with the weather. What can you expect? This is Ireland. So we're currently indoors. Whilst we do have many Hollywood stars filling in the lead roles, such as the amazing Caroline Giovanni, we've been amazed at how many locals have turned up to fill in the extras. They are local, aren't they?
I believe so, yes.
Good. Right. Anyway, the film will be available on major release next year. I'm sure you can catch me at the Oscars shortly after. Anyway, we hope you enjoy the film. Tickets are available now on the box office link below. The link will be below, won't it?
I believe so.